Hello. Uh, Today we're going to talking about this surface, carved louver surface, how to create in Revit. So let's do it. First of all, just open the Revit software. Hmm. So we are already create this louver, curved type louver screen. So how to do that? We're going to talking about this screen wall screen louver pattern. So I just uh, close this file. So first open new and just select generic model adaptive. Okay, then select the placement point. Here is it, just point element. Just open a modify place lines in ribbon, and just click before that, just select, make sure that just select the set this level where the point will place. Just select the point, place the point, and here one point, then Revit another point. Okay, so after place the 2 point, these 2 point, just place this vertical reference plane, place this plane. So for then just click the reference level floor plan and drag this point, just place this reference line, these 2 point. Then go to elevation, then again place select the point element, and just pick work plane, select the work plane, or which one, center or left right, front, because we place the point in front and back, this reference plane, and this is the view the front elevation. That's why just set the point, set the first reference plane, front, back, then okay, then select the point element, just place some point, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, then all points first select, then make adaptive. Okay. Make sure this adaptive point is chronologically serial wise placed, which is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, this is very important, this chronological system. Okay, and this point is also adaptive, make adaptive. So just go to 3D view, and then these 2 points select, then modify adaptive point ribbon, this draw draw panel, just select, click spline through point, then create a line, then just select the line. First we can this line convert in SP line, reference line, should in reference line. So you can create this line, you can create a form from this line, but should not. So this point 14 point, this one adaptive point, create, select, and then is create a spline through point, and all this some adaptive point create, then create a spline, then last 3 adaptive point, then this 2 number adaptive point, create spline. Then all this line together in just one line, just click, select it all automatically, select this all line. Then in properties panel, just in reference line, just select this reference line and line converted to reference line. Okay, and then just select the reference line, and in modify reference line ribbon, just create form and create solid form. Okay, just select Revit will give 2 options. This form, will we create this form, or will we create this just plain? We will create this, select this form, just select, click this form, and after that just select, just show this properties panel in left side. There is constraint option, a positive offset and negative offset. Okay, so we just place the dimension in parameter, just 2 side, negative offset and positive offset. Okay, just place this suppose 0.5 inch and negative offset 0.5 inch. Just make sure that just in reference line in center in this form. Okay, and then why we create this reference adaptive point in multiple, create in multiple adaptive point, because when we just select this one point and drag this z-axis arrow key, move up, and we see this panel move in create in curve line. That's why we place in multiple point. In 2 adaptive point, but 2 point, when we just place in 2 point, just do 2 point select and create a spline, it will create a straight line. Okay, when in multiple in or 2 or more point, then create a spline, it will a curve line, create a curve line. So then we will provide a material parameter. This panel just glowing in blue color. Okay, just in keyboard, just press tab one time in once, just click it, then select all panel, select, and then create a material parameter. here is it, material parameter, just place and properties panel. Just click this three bar dot in button, click it. First of all, this not is clearly show. Just write this button associate family parameter. Okay, just click it and create a family parameter. This panel, just name it panel. Okay, it will create in type, not instance, and just okay, then okay. Okay, then we will save this file, Control S. Just save it. What we will call it, curve adaptive curve panel. Okay, then option, go to option, just one in backup file. Okay, then save. Okay, just save this file. Then we will open the mass family. Just go to file, then new, and click on conceptual mass. Okay, just select it and open. In conceptual mass, first of all we create a reference line. Just create on a line and select the line and create set the dimension, suppose 30 feet. Okay, just select the line and create solid form. So in upper side, select the line and set the dimension, which is 30 feet. And just create a example for surface. It's not this is not a standard dimension. It's just showing. Just create a surface panel. It will be dimension 20 feet or 10 feet. Height will be 40 feet by 10 feet or 30 feet. Okay, it just doesn't matter. So then select the surface. Oh, by the way, is another surface we will create, which is let's go to elevation. Go to elevation with north elevation. Just span this panel, then we will show this panel, and so go to east elevation and this panel will showing. So I just select the SP line through point, and before that we will create a reference plane. Go to in level 1 and create a reference plane, RP, keyboard shortcut, then create a reference plane. This source, this the main center reference plane, and extra this reference plane just between this dimension, suppose say 1 feet. for so say 1 feet. Okay, then we just select and this reference plan and click this name, create this name, this reference plan, say 1. Okay, then enter. After that, go to elevation, then create a SP line through point and set, and select this reference plane 1 and OK. Then here is it, make sure the select the draw on work plane, then click this reference plane through point, then select this line, then copy it, select multiple, then copy it one, and then copy this, align this reference line. So go to 3D view, we will see this reference line placed on this work plane. Okay, then this this line, just select all this reference line and create in convert the line in reference line. Then in modify reference line ribbon panel, create a form. We will see this reference line, create a reference plane, convert to reference plane, reference surface. So just first this reference plane, select this when we before in reference plane, just one line create, just reference plane from one line create. Just select this reference plane and create a divide surface. Okay, divide surface. So just select a divide surface, then in properties panel in left side there are two grid, V grid and U grid. Okay, we'll just increase this one grid and other grid is number similar of this adaptive point, which is already we created. There is one side is 2 point and other side is say 12 point. Yeah, so go to in mask panel, just select the first reference plane in grid line, then first grid fixed number is say 20, which one is with horizontal line is U grid is a horizontal line, so it's 20. Then vertical grid is 12 or say 12 just 11, then we will get in 12 point. Say it's 30 in horizontal line. Okay, so there is another surface we all just created in, which is a curved surface. When we just one point, just select the one point, close, or just select the one point and move this cursor in red cursor axis you will see the surface will create a curve, convert a curve. Because there is a multiple line and multiple point. That's why surface create a curve. And then this curve surface select. Before that, we just first surface select the grid line. Just check it. U grid is 30 and V grid is 11. Okay, same process. Just select the curve surface and divide surface. Then U grid is 30 and V grid is 11. Okay, U grid. Okay, what is it match this line or not? Just go to elevation. I think there is a problem with this surface. Just select this surface and just rotate. Just rotate. This is not a rotate. Just reverse this number. Just 11, and this is the 30. Okay, that will be the match this line. So first create this first surface in grid line. Just in surface representation in toolbar, modify divide surface toolbar, just little arrow, click this little arrow, display properties, and create node. Just okay. Same process, just select the curved surface in grid line and surface representation, select the surface representation in small arrow, just click the node, then okay. Then there is a, just check it out again, just with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 point. Okay, so and just go to an adaptive point, go to adaptive point, just load this point. Okay, we will place it and go to in 3D and select this, which numbering is chronological type. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually there is a 0.78, 9, 10. Which one? 11, 13, 10. There is an endpoint. Okay, this is the panel. Just place this panel and this, just click this panel and just repeat. Okay, there is a problem. We will fix this problem. Just what is the problem? When we select this panel, just repeat it. This will not create this multiple panel, but why? We will fix this problem. Just a second. Okay. So we this problem just we faced. because when we first panel create this first panel, we draw on ground level, this level, in create a line, then create a form. And after the second surface, when we'll create, we already created, so this line is vertical. That's why this vertical line create from surface, create a surface from this reference line. Grid will not match. We will create this reference line in horizontal, similar this first panel. So let's do it. Just select this line, reference line, just delete it. Okay, and go to in elevation, east elevation, and set this plane. Okay, select, then okay, then create select SP line through point, and make sure the select and draw on work plane. Just draw on work plane 1 2 3 4. Okay, just select this plane and create a reference line, and copy it, double C in keyboard shortcut, then create a multiple, 1 2 3 4, and this last reference line, select this reference line, then copy, then snapping to endpoint. Then select the endpoint and go to in 3D view, then select this reference line, control, press the control and select this reference line, and this reference line and this reference line. Okay, and then create a form, convert a surface. Then after, just select the surface and select the divide surface, and this will be the match the first reference surface. This number 30 and will be the 11. Then we will see, go to elevation, then we will see the first reference plane and the second reference plane will match, already matched. Go to 3D view and create in menu bar, and select the component, then place the point 1 2. Oh, by the way, there is not fix the nodes. Select the nodes, this second reference plane. Just select the second reference plane in grid line, and surface representation, click the surface representation, then click node, then okay. Then create component, click this, place this point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and last point 14. Okay, we just place this this panel in 2 reference plane, and just select the panel and create a repeat. You will see the just automatically create a louver in mass model. This place this reference plane, and when we just select this point and drag this in front in this axis, red axis line, you will see the curve line automatically curve this louver. Just select this point, and this, select this point and drag this point or back side. Okay, by the way, when we just select this grid line to reference plane grid line and increase this number, say 30 to and 80, you will see the panel will increase and create a curved surface. Okay, the hidden line, and then set the material, select and the edit and set the suppose and click the material point, material button, then this material browser window will pop up, and select this ceiling, say select this one, any kind of material, select this any type of material, select this type of material, and appearance, go to appearance and just create a texture. So first replace this, click the replace this asset and just write it, say we will assign wood material, wood, to write the wood, just enter and say what any kind of, just any kind of select the wood material, say birch material, just double click, then just close this panel library, just okay, then okay, apply, then okay. You will see the panel already, material already placed. Just click this fine and visual style, click this realistic. Okay, you will see material is already placed, assign this panel. So that's how we create a curved louver, curved surface louver. If we select this point and drag this too much extent, you will see the curved surface will smooth. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we will so today's that's it. See you on next time. Thank you. Bye.